Alice was a young girl with bright blue eyes and long blonde hair. One sunny day, she was sitting under a tree with her sister. Alice was very curious and loved to explore. She saw a white rabbit with a pink nose and big eyes. The rabbit was wearing a blue coat and holding a pocket watch. He looked very worried and kept saying, "Oh dear, I am late." Alice decided to follow the rabbit. She ran after him and saw him jump into a big rabbit hole. Without thinking, Alice jumped in too. The rabbit hole was very deep, and Alice fell for a long time. She wondered if she would ever reach the bottom. Finally, she landed softly on a bed of leaves. Alice found herself in a strange place. It was full of strange, colorful plants and animals that could talk. She saw a bottle with a label that said, "Drink me." Alice took a sip and began to shrink. She became so small that she could fit through a little door. Behind the door was a beautiful garden. Alice walked through the garden and met many curious creatures. There was a grinning cat named Cheshire Cat, a Mad Hatter who loved tea parties, and a Queen of Hearts who always shouted, "Off with their heads." Alice had many adventures in this wonderland. She learned that being curious and brave could lead to exciting places. After a while, Alice found a way back home. She woke up under the tree and realized it was all a dream. But Alice never forgot her amazing journey. From then on, she always looked for new adventures and believed that even the impossible was possible.